we have this really amazing cold outreach program that we've scaled pretty rapidly. So it's email, which is crazy, but like our email to lead ratio is really good. And our email to conversion is really good too. We just have now honed down on who we target. We've gone into like making sure that everything about that potential client lines up with them being a good fit. So that's things like they've already created long form content. They are already posting on social media the way that we would. We've basically just come in and we're like, hey, we know that this sucks. Do you want to outsource this? You're doing a good job, but you could do a better job. And that seems to work really, really well for us.
That's awesome. Yeah, it's amazing. We over on the lead cookie side, we've just really gone deep on like let's do really great like in-depth research, and it's amazing how great cold outreach can actually work if you really target the exact right people. Versus, I think a lot of people just do it the lazy. I'm going to source a list of marketing directors and just blast them all. But it's like no, you actually put time and energy into the right list, and like it can work really well.
Yeah, and we've seen that. I mean, we saw when we weren't looking at the right lists and we saw kind of, and also like keep in mind, if you're targeting the wrong people, you're wasting your time if they are interested. So we would have these, like we have a digital strategist slash, salesperson. We have her on calls, and if we haven't vetted them and reached out to them, if you go to schedule a call on our site, we put you through a type form where if you aren't already doing things that we need you to do, if you aren't willing to spend the money we need you to spend, it spits you out and says, here's our courses. Like, here's where you can learn stuff in your price range. So if they're not willing to put on that form that they're at least going to spend $400 a month, then it's not worth our time, because now we're spinning our wheels for no reason.